Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Quant also reached target area now, which is great, which I made you aware of in the last video, that we should expect a retracement into the area between 98.50 and 91.10. Someone already commented, it seems like every coin goes into a correction, just Quant doesn't. No, also Quant is allowed to reach its target range. Yeah, and Quant follows with that my forecast, which is good. Yeah, so if we look at this from an elite wave point of view, we did obviously say here wave 4 was finished. It reached the reversal area here as well, moved up in a wave 5, but only in what I believe is a wave 1 of a wave 5. So here the wave 1, then here the wave 2 that we talked about in the previous video. This target area, which is ideal for a wave 2, that we reach here the range between again, just mentioned those price levels, but between the 38.2% FIB level and the 61.8. So we are there now. At any point in time, we now need to expect Quant to move to the upside. The reaction, though, at the moment is still fairly weak, so not necessarily I would expect a move up from here yet. But we need to acknowledge that Quant's retracement is quite weak compared to some other cryptos, which is sort of bullish. We can draw, of course, a trend line. Such a trend line breakout would indicate to me that the correction is done. Yeah, so you can draw it various ways, as a channel, as just a descending trend line. Doesn't matter, because we wait for the retracement to the upside. So we want to draw that descending trend line is more important. There's various ways how you can draw it, but for me, a decisive move out of this, to the upside here. Just seeing that you can actually draw a larger channel here. But also here, what I mentioned to you was we had this descending trend line here, and I told you a move above that trend line would indicate this wave 4 is over. And when we did it, I mean, we moved up 15%. That's not bad, right? So again, here, waiting for a decisive move above that channel, or above the descending trend line. Next resistance level would then be here the $104.50, those previous swing highs, and then the key level to break out above is $110.40. So we need to say Quant doesn't make a bad impression here. It's not retracing too much, which is bullish, but it has reached the target area, and it's ready at some point to move up in a wave 3, I would believe. Yeah, so Quant will at some point then here be ready to move up in wave 3. We can also calculate the target for wave 3. So let's take a look at that. Target for wave 3 would be, again, it's a bit difficult here because I'm not sure if it will actually reach it, but the first target would be the 1-to-1 ratio. That is here the $130 level, which would indicate all the other waves, the higher level waves, would move up a little bit. Then there would be a wave 4 to the downside, a wave 5 to the upside. That would complete the overall higher level wave, and a wave 1. Yeah. So basically this would then allow Quant to finish off the overall larger impulse that's evolving here. And from here we could then expect a wave 2 to the downside. This here, what we've done so far, is for me not enough for the wave 5. So I want to see more to the upside. You could call that even a bull flag at the moment. If we break below $78, that would invalidate all of it. Then we have to assume we had already completed that larger impulse here, and we're already in this larger wave 2 correction. But I can't currently see that. I can't see it. If I start seeing that, I will let you know. At the moment, therefore, this is my forecast, that we move higher from here. At some point, the reversal in this green area, that would be ideal. And then, but only signal for that, wait for a signal. This first signal at least would be a breakout above the descending trend line. Okay, and that's my view about Quant here. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.